Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play word building. This classic game challenges your vocabulary and strategic thinking. Your main goal is to score the most points by creating interconnected words on the game board. Each letter tile has a specific point value, and you'll use these to form words horizontally or vertically. To start, each player draws 7 letter tiles, and the first player is decided, often by drawing the letter closest to A. When it's your turn, you'll use 2 or more of your letter tiles to form a word on the board. Remember, words can only be placed in a straight line, either across or down. Crucially, every new word you play must connect to at least one letter of a word already on the board. All words must be valid according to a standard dictionary, ensuring fair and challenging gameplay for everyone involved. To maximize your score, look for opportunities to use the special bonus squares on the board. These squares can double or even triple the points for a letter or an entire word. A fantastic way to boost your score is by playing all 7 of your tiles in one turn, which awards a generous bonus of 50 points. If you suspect an opponent has played an invalid word, you can challenge it, potentially costing them their turn's points. The game ends when all the letter tiles have been drawn from the bag and one player successfully plays their final tile. At this point, all players calculate their total scores. You add up all the points from the words you've played throughout the game, and then subtract the point values of any tiles remaining on your rack. The player with the highest total score is declared the winner, demonstrating superior vocabulary and strategic skill.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.